Samsung's smart glasses have been showing up in leaks pretty consistently lately. But this time, something is different, because instead of the usual renders and spec rumors, we're getting a detail that actually tells us something meaningful about what these glasses can do, and it all comes down to one small number: the battery size. A figure of around 245 milliamp hours is floating around right now, and if you know how this category works, that number is actually a really big deal. In the smart glasses world, battery capacity isn't just about how long the device lasts, it's a direct reflection of what the glasses are actually doing. The simpler versions, the ones with just cameras, audio, and some AI assistance, typically sit around the 150 milliamp hour range. That's enough to handle light processing and occasional audio output. But 245 milliamp hours is a noticeable jump above that, and it's not random. More battery means something inside is consistently drawing more power, and there's really only one thing in smart glasses that does that constantly. Here's where it gets interesting. That 245 milliamp hour figure is almost identical to what Meta's display smart glasses run on, which come in at around 248 milliamp hours. And those glasses are built specifically to power a built-in screen. So when Samsung's glasses show up with basically the same battery capacity, it's very hard to ignore what that's quietly suggesting. Even a small heads-up display sitting in the corner of your vision needs constant power. It's always on, always ready, always drawing from the battery. That extra capacity has to exist for a reason, and this leak lines up almost perfectly with the idea that Samsung is building a version of these glasses with an actual display inside. Now this is where the strategy gets really smart. Multiple reports are pointing towards Samsung potentially launching both versions at the same time, a display model and a non-display model, rather than spacing them out the way companies usually do. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. It gives Samsung two clear entry points into the market. One option for people who want something simple and familiar, and one for people ready to step into something more advanced. It's a clean way to cover both audiences without making anyone feel like they're waiting for the version they actually want. Now, before anyone gets too far ahead, this is not full augmented reality. What Samsung is likely working on is something closer to what Meta is doing right now. A minimal display, probably a small heads-up element rather than an immersive AR overlay covering your whole field of view. But here's the thing, that first step matters more than people realize. Once a display is in the picture, the roadmap becomes very clear. Single display first, then dual displays, then eventually something that starts looking like true AR glasses. Samsung isn't jumping to the finish line, they're taking the first step on a path that leads there, and this leak suggests they're closer to that step than most people thought. One small battery number has quietly revealed a lot about where Samsung is heading with their smart glasses lineup. A display version appears to be real, the launch strategy is starting to take shape, and the broader AR roadmap is slowly coming into focus. This is one of those leaks that doesn't look like much on the surface, but actually changes the conversation completely. So what are your thoughts? Are you more excited about the display version, or would you stick with the simpler option? Drop it in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of every Samsung leak before it goes mainstream, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we're watching this one very closely.